This is Ben and Sophia painting, doing a Splatoon style splatter for his Nerf Gun pegboard. So far we got the white background and we got the blue going on there. Again, we're trying to do random splatters, Splatoon style.
I know how to do this. So let's do
Sure.
Let's do this side. I don't really see that much. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, different techniques being used here. Look at the way they're trying to get the paint on there without touching the pegboard. I think we have enough blue. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Alright, what color's next, Soph?
Red.
Alright. Alright, so here we go. We got the red. It's a blue versus red Splatoon's battle. You gotta dip heavy.
I dip it.
And then when you do it slow, that's where you bring it up.
Let's see what we got so far. That looks wicked. Ben, slow down, slow down. We call this the drip method. They're doing it because it's a different kind of paint. It's thicker and it's not as easy to splatter. Kids, do not try this at home. Sophia and Ben are trained professionals.
Totally. I got a special FI school for it. It's called the BFM9.
Alright. What do you guys think? We're almost done?
Yeah.
I did that one really good.
So, which color do you think won this Splatoon's battle?
Blue. Blue. I think you're right. I don't know. Maybe it's a draw. How about you guys vote in the comments?
There you go. You heard it from Ben. Vote in the comments to see who you think won this Splatoon's battle of blue and red in the backyard paint battle.